Welcome dear trader. In this video you'll learn update about Dogecoin where it would be a time to close your position. Let's go on. My name is Yuri, top often trading you with 53,000 followers. I ask you to push like, subscribe, because I promise all of this would be really useful for you. At this moment, what I will share with you first, my friends, I'll share with you examples where price stopped its trend and where to sell. Technical analysis, an example to what happened to BNB. First, take a look about Dogecoin, about all of this rise. We told inside in our VIP room for many days. Take a look. Inside in our VIP room on Discord, as you can see, first time I told to buy Dogecoin 27th of April because price create beautiful trend line breakout pattern. To be honest, price first time hit my stop loss, and only after that my partner and me we open another trade, and we even share it here in our Russian language channel. That's a reason why you should follow. If you understand Russian, I recommend you to subscribe, because I would be link in the description. Also, my friends, about at this moment, take a look. Dogecoin since that moment rose up. How much? Take a look. Dogecoin rose up 149%. I know that so many people, so many traders expect that Dogecoin can rise up even to 1 USD. To be honest, it's possible. I know that, remember that you should have only one rule in trading, that everything is possible. I would like to share with you in this video only one thing. In what cases you should sell, in what cases you should close, and in what cases market will show you that party is over. First one, as you can see, we can compare it to this cycle, and I will compare it to BNB. As you can see, price were in a range. After that broke this range, slowly started up price, and take a look what happened the last candle. As you can see, if you would take a look on the last candle, you would see that percent of ATR. Take a look on here, percent of ATR. As you can see, on this day, percent of ATR were 1,320. As you can see, it is this indicator. It is indicator that we create with our team. By the way, there would be link if you want to get that indicator for free on TradingView. As you can see, 1,320% of ATR, and after that, what happened? Boom, down drop from its high to low by 65%. A lot, my friends. It's really a lot. And take a look at the biggest volume. If you would compare to previous cycle, you would see that the biggest volume were at high, completely at high. Take a look. High, the biggest candle on 1 hour, and after that bigger drop. Why that happens? I would like to share with you another example that also, as you can see, I published inside in our VIP room. Take a look about Ethereum. One of the biggest candle up, like it is a line chart, but still take a look. Biggest up rise up, and take a look the biggest short liquidations. How it works? A lot of people at the same time open a lot of positions into opposite direction, and those people that accumulate sell position here, their stop losses and their liquidations, they forced to buy back, and because of that, price creates skyrocketing. And big guys, those people that, for example, bought here, they sell to them. Like if you hold sell, you forced to buy, and they hold coins and they sell to you. That's how market works, and that calls culmination, and that calls end of the cycle. And if something like this will happen to Dogecoin, that would be a signal that party is over completely. That's why, my friends, at this moment, I do not recommend you to pay attention to some time, because as you can see, it's a range. Wait for really one of the biggest candle, and wait for one of the biggest volumes. That would be clear signals that party is over. Example for you, take a look this idea, April 13th of April. When I told that BNB will create a deeper pullback, and take a look what about this idea. As you can see here, this candle, take a look on this bar. There were traded nearly 1.55 million of BNB. And if you just will open calculator and you will calculate 1,500,000 BNB, and you will multiply, for example, like 600 USD, it is nearly 1 billion. It's like nearly 1 billion only in 1 hour candle. That's how party over, and that's how trend finish. That's why at this moment, what should you do? At this moment, my friend, wait, because as many of you, as you can see, many people, I record today this idea 4 hours ago, and so many people like it, and that's the reason why I record this video update also on YouTube. And remember, if this video will get a lot of likes, updates, comments, I promise that when that will happen, for example, when culmination will happen, I will record a video update about it. That's why at this moment I just ask you to push like, subscribe, and remember that when it will happen, I will record, I will publish it inside into our Telegram. That's the reason why you should subscribe and follow our Telegram channel. Thank you for your time, my friend. See you.